Hey everyone, today we are going to do a quick tutorial on this cute little penguin stamping I did over Existential Crisis from Holo. So I started out with the Kads Zoo 007 stamping plate. In that upper right corner, I'm doing a stamp pickup. I'm first using a black stamping polish and then a silver metallic and a red metallic. Silver metallic and the red metallic didn't end up showing up as much as I thought they might because Existential Crisis is just too dark of a base, but it did lead to a nice delineation that you'll see later. So I did quick wipe. I think I probably needed a sharper angle on that swipe. I didn't quite get all of the pieces off, but it turned out pretty good pickup, so no reason to redo it. I also did this little penguin tower. I tried to do the hearts in red, but that did not work because I swiped in the wrong direction to let them keep their ruby. Should have swiped with the ruby going away. Another good clean pickup here. And cute little penguins. And then I took those little penguins, I actually filled them in, did some reverse stamping with some white, and got their little bellies, little penguin white bellies. See, I did the left stamper with my dotting tool, and then also did the right one. I like using a dotting tool for reverse stamping when I can. I also like to use a brush, but when it's these nice circular options, it's a lot easier to use a dotting tool. It's a lot easier to not accidentally pick up any of the design while reverse stamping. I like to let these dry for a little bit, but then I will put on a sticky base coat on all the ones I'm stamping on, just to allow it to transfer easily. And I let that dry for a couple of minutes, and then just transfer all of those cute little designs, my little penguins. And once my penguins are on, I add the Smudge Free Top Coat. This helps prevent smudging, although you'll see when I had the quick dry, it wasn't perfect. I still got a little bit of smudging on one of my penguins, but it prevented most of it. That's quickly kind of a quick stamping tutorial over Existential Crisis.